All right, so if we're going to determine if this roof is repairable, it's approximately probably 18 to 20 years old. I have to look up what the age of the home is. It's original to the home, it's fair to say. If we're going to test repairability, we need to look at something that's not damaged and test whether or not we have granule retention and a few other items that are going to be assessed. So first things first, go over here. Don't have a lot of granules falling off. All right, is it delaminating? There's a lot of it unsealed. I can pick that up pretty easily because this is an old roof and adhesives have started to fail over time. So it is starting to delaminate a little bit, but it's an old roof. So now let's go over here. We're going to be affecting the shingles all around this wind damaged shingle here on the left, or in the center right here. Same thing. Holding granules pretty well, even though there's a lot of granule loss on this roof. The roof's not in a very good condition just based on the age. Same thing, so we're not having a lot of granules fall off. Would you agree with that?
Well, I agree with you.
Yeah, okay.
And I haven't made a decision on whether it's repairable just yet. I want to see what you do.
Yeah, absolutely.
I want to see if you can do it.
So, all right, in order to get this shingle out, we're gonna have to remove the fasteners, probably here, 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 and then the fasteners on the, of course, above it as well. So we're probably gonna have to be removing a total of 8 fasteners and replacing 8 fasteners. So first thing that we're gonna have to do, break the seals. I don't expect this to have a ton. It's 70 degrees. I don't expect this to have a ton of material transfer, just due to simple fact that, okay, so this is the very end right here. So we're going to be working with these three tabs right here. Because of just how old the roof is, I don't foresee a ton of material transfer on this one. So, notice I'm not jerking the bar, I'm not prying the bar up. All right. So, got to remove the fasteners out. That popped up off that pulled through the shingle. So, according to the NAFE's entry, we're supposed to get up underneath the nail, pry it off like that. Because the only manufacturer that has documentation on repairing shingles, asphalt shingles, is CertainTeed. They're the only people who have come out. There's no fastener replacement there, so far we've only pulled out 3 shingles, or 3 fasteners. All right, and this one pulled completely out of the shingle. Same thing here. I'm gonna go in. That pulled past the fastener. That's gonna cause some issues because pulled off the shingle. Now it's gonna leave a hole. Same here. Once again, you can't really, and just like that. Fasteners are already out. So let's try and get these fasteners out of said shingle. That one didn't pull out. All right, now we've got all the fasteners pulled out. gonna put a new shingle in. We'll do that. That takes some documentation. Company cam. Pull that fastener out right there. We missed one. Notice I'm being gentle. Not just trying to rip it up. Issues with this shingle wanting to slide out. There we go. Now, in order to drive new fasteners in, we're gonna need about that much clearance.
You don't have a snake tool?
Now, is that what you want me to try to repair it with?
I was just asking if you had one.
I can send you an engineering report that says that's not.
I was just asking if you had one.
Okay. That's something I thought you would ask before we actually started doing it, if that's what you wanted us to use. All right, let's check. Granules falling off a little bit. Let's look at this prior to us manipulating the shingle. I'm looking at this right here. So look at the granule loss that's on it now, compared to beforehand.
Mm-hmm.
Would you agree that there's more granule loss on the roof on this particular shingle after we?
Yeah, there's a little bit more granular loss.
Okay. No granules falling off here.
Yeah, there's some falling off.
See,
So this is what I'm going to ask you guys to do. Upload these photos and your video